What's up, all you linear friction welding fanatics? Frank here. And do we have a video for you this time? A few months ago, we were contacted by a national space agency in the United States and asked if we would help them in welding a new element that was brought back to Earth from an asteroid or a meteor. I'm not sure on that exactly. And we said, of course, we want to help you. The new element is called UnObtainium. And it's our understanding that this has never been welded before using any process, and they're asking to use our linear friction welding process. And so we have to teach them how to run the machines. They're going to do this all by themselves. I think it has something to do with some secrecy agreement. However, I won't be involved in this project. Lab technician Kevin's going to handle this for us, and he is as excited as I am to do this for the National Space Agency in the United States. So stay tuned. Can't wait to see what happens. Well, I thought this was going to be a story, and I was correct. So because of secrecy agreements, we weren't allowed to show any of our normal videos, real time or high speed. And really the only thing that I could do was piece together some footage from our security system that is located throughout the whole building. That I'm allowed to do, and I'll try to paint the story of what went on. So here we see Agent Keller meeting lab technician Kevin for the first time in our lobby and carrying a briefcase, which I assumed at that time was UnObtainium. And here, located in one of the customer rooms, which we allow customers use when they come in here, Agent Keller opens this briefcase up, and I'm not sure what's in there, but I really am glad that I'm not in that room with them. Our machines are very easy to operate, and we weren't allowed to be there when we ran the machines. So Kevin shows Agent Keller how to run the machine. Kevin said it took about a half hour to show him how to run it safely. Agent Keller loaded his materials into the machine, basically ran the machine to, from what I understood, was to get a good weld, and he was successful in doing so. Here, Agent Keller's leaving. Curious Kevin, he couldn't stop. He wanted to see what was in that briefcase, and I think Kevin got a surprise. And from what you can see here, there's Kevin. Oh my goodness. But anyways, Agent Keller actually takes the briefcase afterwards and shows it to the camera, which shocks us all. So here you go. Oh, April Fools. Well, hopefully you got a good laugh out of all this as we did. And if UnObtainium was actually obtainable, Taylor-Winfield Technologies would be the place you'd bring it to see if we can weld it for you. So give us a call, send me an email. Just as a side note, no Kevins were harmed during this taping of this video. So we want you to stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye.